about that young lady from Michigan? Yeah. She's braver than I am. I come from a very small town in western Montana, about 800 people, and it suffered a lot of hard times due to economic what have you over the past 4 or 5 years or whatever. And promised some people from back home if I ever got on stage in Nashville, this would be the song that I'd sing. So, fulfill a promise here. Mom and Dad have grown old, and the logs at the yard, they've all been sold. There's a lot less here than there used to be, but it's still at the heart of me. And take a trip down these dusty roads, well, I can't stay to see in the cold. And everywhere you go, they wave and smile. You can see them coming for a country mile. And the dogs, they howl while you're on the phone. And I can't help but smile when I see my home. And I called my name in this old pine tree. The neighbor girls, me. Mom and Dad have grown old, and the logs at the yard, they've all been sold. And the local bars don't take credit cards. You can leave your truck out in the yard. And you can hear the rhythm of the creek. You can see the wind as it sways the trees. And Mom and Dad have grown old, and the logs at the yard, they've all been sold. And there's a lot less here than there used to be, but it's still at the heart of me. Mom and Dad have grown